My people, how na day? My name na Eju David. I ride me all one like to do yoli or gada going. Now respect me foul the bed if you reach the mouth, not because say foul tongue reach the mouth. And wetin dog do for where yam dey, na make dem dey pursue dog for barn, not because say dog dey eat yam. America don finally ban Nigeria from traveling to America. Donald Trump don add Nigeria name join the country wey no go fit dey enter America again. They don talk am say the problem of Nigeria na be say if Nigeria enter inside their country, they no dey gree comot. Say na because of them na make some people come even dey sleep with their wife. Say if you don reach to born, you go America go born am. Say you get your whole country's passport, your pikin go come get America passport. Say this one dem no go fit allow am make e dey happen again. Na Donald Trump talk am say Nigeria make dem no dey give Nigeria visa make dem take enter America again. He don talk this one. Say na from on the 22nd of February 2029 the thing go start. Say people wey don get quick collect visa, they fit still enter before enter America. Even after on the 22nd, they fit still enter because say they don already collect visa before that 22nd. Say as from on the 22nd, nobody will give Nigeria visa again. Make it enter America. Say Nigeria, they no go enter America again. They don't ban Nigeria. Then this one when do not be only Nigeria ban, he still ban some other African country journal. Country like Oyama, Eritrea, Sudan, Tanzania. He banned all this one join Nigeria. Because he banned what they call these people self Kyrgyzstan. This one a country when we say they add join Nigeria. Imagine, you just imagine this. All this one, they add, our government is and I don't understand that. We they talk this one, a country they banned us from entering their own country, say problem with the Nigeria they cause problem. Say if Nigeria come, they don't agree go again. If you carry visa, you apply for visa for 3 months. If you can't reach there now, 3 months go turn to everlasting. You not even go visit your country again. Say this one, they not go agree again. But they talk this one. Just imagine, that they banned us from entering another country, and security problem they house. They never Boko Haram the key. Then they tell us say people when they kill us for Nigeria, say now neighboring country neither for the enter. Then they use visa they enter Nigeria. They feed they smuggle themselves enter the key. Buhari come out go do visa free for all Africa. Well, which kind of nonsense be this one? Visa free to enter Nigeria, right? If you get passport for your whole country, any country in Africa, you just get passport. Whether you not be from that country, as long as you get that African country, African nation, you have the nation in Africa passport, you go free enter Nigeria without visa. Now, when you reach Nigeria, you come to talk about visa. Who do this to us? Where we from, sir? People don't they shut their boundary. Say you know go fit dey waka enter our country anyhow. They don't even ban una. American for people don't ban una. And coronavirus they do it all they go with the people they block the everywhere to make sure say this thing not happen. Now Nigeria they open their own. Now the people when be say the America when they get the hope say my people I will carry them come. So that me and my family will come to one place where they reunite. All those one will happen again now. Then when he did there now, if you call home, you don't feel take visa to go back. Now, the businessmen and women from Nigeria now not fit trade go America again, and the one in America not fit trade go Nigeria. Soldier, they say soldier, American soldier, they Nigeria. Now the MOU when they sign now, all of them now go dabaru. Which kind of problem be this one? This government, now key they call key Nigeria. Because for me, as me they see for their tenor, this just the budget, they go left side. Instead of me, they go right. Everything they go left, they go left. Now so they tell us the other time say they don't technically defeat Boko Haram. Now Boko Haram the key. In case we don't know, now Boko Haram the key. Which kind of problem be this one? This one now the one when me they see now as I they see and so. As America do their own now, very soon other countries go join them. Nigeria will come turn to Nigerians. Nigeria will come turn to country would be say who just chop belly food, will just do anyhow to them. Just use Nigeria play football, use Nigeria do this, Nigeria do this. You know, even reach the one when they for full ban when I would say this thing, they for ban the medical treatment for all the abroad. See every other country for abroad now they don't ban Nigeria from seeking medical treatment abroad. Could that be better? You when you get mind say you want go America, accept my sympathy, change your mind. You can go to another country. Because as it stand now, it's bye-bye for America. I beg, for una when you get people for America or they get the dream to go, or una when they America get people for Nigeria, they don't look for another alternative to communicate with them, to talk with them, because seeing them now is going to be very difficult. We are still hoping and looking, because this matter, when they pray, make it be say, before on the 22nd, something happen, miracle happen, say they can't remove Nigeria name for the list. If they can't see remove am, I go tell una. If they not remove am, I go tell una. But I dey doubt am, because as Donald Trump be now wetin he go take win the election na dey in mind. Anything wey Donald Trump go do take win the election now na dey Donald Trump mind, because all this thing na point na dey use am dey gather say him dey block immigrant from entering America. So this one they count for now. I don't see how Donald Trump will take change that, but in case he change mind, I will still let you know. My people, so we see about this visa issue, but the one when Nigeria can still do when it be say that they open their own, make everything they porous. Say if now when you reach Nigeria, now you will obtain visa. That one safe. Now when you come reach Nigeria, you will obtain visa. For country when it be say if you even they seek for the visa, if you not bribe, they not go give you. Now when you come, they want to repatriate the person if you not go take the visa, and they forget if you want to repatriate the person when you don't reach your country, you want to repatriate her. Say if that country not tell you say make you bring a call, now your country will pay the fee, the fee of repatriation. So how many people I don't understand that. Now you want to repatriate people when they come reach Nigeria now they don't agree or obtain the visa. Now that time you want to repatriate them and be waiting you want to. I bet my people how now see this matter. How now see them. I need to now comment. You know right waiting now. This one America banned Nigeria, fine. Now Nigeria open their own visa free. That when you enter Nigeria now you want to obtain visa. How now see this matter? Who know if assuming person can't enter Nigeria now, you not agree or obtain visa. How they want to they want to repatriate and be waiting. I beg, when I leave una comment. And in case you never subscribe, my brother, my sister, what you still wait for? Subscribe, help your brother so that the thing go they drop twice. The time when we just stay upload them, God bless you.